The Texas A&M AgriLife Extension recently held their annual event that warns and informs.
Today's the 33rd annual vegetable conference. It's a wonderful conference. We have people from all over, about a 5 or 6 county area, come out and enjoy the information that we're sharing, as well as some great speakers and exhibitors as well. We have a full crowd of people. We have probably 280 plus people here, and some great vendors and some great speakers. And the people that are here represent backyard gardeners, small farm operators, and large farm operators. We get a chance to visit with the specialists that come out to actually give the programs, to talk about some of the new varieties that they tested, and also the insect and disease resistance of these particular varieties, and to produce the highest yields without an overabundance use of fertilizers and pesticides. And that's the key, is to get most production without having a whole lot of input that might harm the environment. So that's the great thing about this program. And the homeowners and the business owners and the farmers and ranchers that attend this program, they're all eager to learn, because they want to save money. They want to eat healthy as well, and that's what it's all about. And of course, we select a meal, and the meal is Dinner Tonight, which is a wonderful program that we conduct to help people eat healthy, save money, and use fresh produce that are locally grown. So that's what we're showing today, and our caterer actually cooks the meal that we're demonstrating, the Dinner Tonight meal. So they're tasting it, and they're hearing it, and they're learning how to grow the vegetables that we're talking about as well.
County Extension Agent for AgriLife in Fort Bend County expresses the meaning behind it all.
The overall purpose of this event, for me, is really twofold. One, it's to provide updated information, guidelines, and education for producers to help them in the field. And secondly is a networking opportunity where growers and specialists alike can get together, get to know each other, share resources, and make everybody's work that we do here much better. Each year we do some evaluation from the previous year, and we take some data from that, or what are the needs of producers across our area, and we blend that with resources that we have at the state level with specialists that have conducted some scientific research and have some updated information for growers in our area.
Becoming your own vegetable investigator.
I was an invited speaker specifically to talk about how to scout or monitor for your insect pests in order to catch them early rather than too late. I always really enjoy meeting some of the different audience members and some of the reactions I get from audience members when I show them some of the insect pests that they've been battling the entire last season, or some of the beneficial insects when they eat some of those pests, and the looks of joy that they get. So I think just the interactions with the audience members, whether it be during the actual presentation or afterwards, being able to speak with them.
Find out how you can start eating healthy now.
Our extension office is part of the county, so you can go to Fort Bend County, and under departments, just click extension, it'll pop up. And it'll be broken down into Ag and Natural Resources, Family and Consumer Sciences, and 4-H and Youth Development through Fort Bend County. And we have Facebook, we're on the internet, we have our web page. Of course, we are part of the county government. And a program like today, we have every department participating. We have the Family and Consumer Science unit participating. We have the 4-H and Youth Development unit participating. We have volunteers like Master Gardeners, and we have the TIA ladies that are here, the Extension Education Association. We have the Fruit and Pecan Conference Committee as well taking part, and a lot of different agencies. And we have plenty of information that are out there. And again, we can just simply be found by Googling Extension Fort Bend County, and it'll pop up.
For more information about the annual Veggie Conference, please visit fortbend.agrilife.org. For Stafford CSI, I'm Raquel Sims.